Hey guys, it's Miss Shelby coming at you with lesson 19. This lesson is going to be called Solving Playground Problems. The first thing that we're going to do is listen to our Step Up music video and make sure you listen with attention for how many times you guys hear the phrase make a plan. So let's go ahead and listen to our song.
Here's a great way to remember. Keep it strong in your head, yeah. After the storm of strong emotions, here's the way to solve the problem, yeah. I said step. I just remember to step. Oh, child. You say the problem out loud now. Now think solutions that may work on how. Explore consequences, what would happen if. Now pick the best solution and make your plan, yeah. You got to step up to be cool, yeah. S-T-E-P. Give your power now. After the storm of strong emotion, S-T-E-P. Solve the problem now. Now listen to me, all you good people. There's nothing wrong with strong emotion. But after you calm it down, you still got a problem, see? Now you gotta fix it. And you can. Oh, you step up. Let me show ya. Say you're in line and a kid come cuts in front of ya. Whoa, that make you mad, brothers and sisters. So feel it and calm it and take another look, yeah. Whoa, let me show you now. You see the problem out loud now. You both want to be first in line. No blame. Now think solutions that may work and how. Now these gotta be safe and respectful. No pushing, no shoving. See? Explore consequences. What would happen if? How will other people feel? How will you feel? Will it work? Now pick the best solution and make your plan, yeah. Choose it and act on it. You got to step up to be cool, yeah. S-T-E-P. Give your power now. After the storm of strong emotion, S-T-E-P. Solve the problem now. You say the problem out loud now. Now think solutions that may work on how. Explore consequences, what would happen if. Now pick the best solution and make your plan, yeah. You got to step. I just remember to step. Oh, child, say you wanna step. You got to step. Oh yeah, step.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into what we're going to be talking about today. Today, we're going to start by listening to some voices. Listen carefully to hear what kinds of emotions these voices are expressing.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
That's not fair.
You're offside.
You can't play.
So, what kinds of emotions do you think these kids are feeling? They sound angry and frustrated. They sound irritated. When you're feeling these strong emotions, what's the first thing you should do? That's right. You should probably calm down. Think about our calm down poster. So, where do you think these kids are? These kids, they're probably on the playground or gym or recess. It sounds like they are having problems on the playground. The last couple of lessons, you learned how to use the problem solving steps. The problem solving steps are S, say the problem, T, think of solutions, E, explore consequences, P, pick the best solution. Now you're going to pull together and use all the problem-solving steps and skills we've learned so far. You can use the problem-solving steps anytime there's a problem or a conflict. So today, we're going to think of some common conflicts we could have on our playground, and then we're going to talk about the problem-solving steps to find some solutions. So first, let's hear from real students talking about some conflicts that happened at their schools. Listen carefully for problems that you may also have had.
Some common problems that happen on the playground are probably people arguing about, like, when they play basketball, they argue about like some of the calls.
I would have to say playground problems that I've been involved in happen to be involved with gossip.
Out at recess when kids are cheating, other kids will just start arguing, and it doesn't usually resolve very well because the kids, no matter what, the kids who are arguing are going to get their way or they'll keep arguing. And so if both sides are like that, then it'll just go on and waste a lot of kids' recess.
Well, there's a group of us, there's girls, we all play wall ball every recess, and then there's a group of boys who like to steal our ball every recess, and so that kind of results in a problem. The sixth graders, they get mad because we can't tackle, and I think that's a good rule, but they don't.
There's a lot of cheating.
So as listening to these, I hear a lot of things that sound familiar. Some typical problems we have on our playground, especially when we were able to play on our playground, were people taking turns or people accusing people of cheating or not following the rules. Those were some problems that other people had on the playground that I see as a teacher. And so, in a couple of minutes, we're actually going to step through some of the problem solving steps. But first, let's watch this video showing us how to do it.
Hi, I'm Maya.
And I'm Ethan.
We're going to show you how to step through the problem-solving steps.
First, you and your partner must decide on a problem you are going to solve. So what's a good problem for us to use?
Remember the tetherball problem we had from the other day?
Yeah, when you grab the rope.
And we fought about the rules.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. Next, you write down the steps for solving the problem on your worksheet.
Then, outside, you take your sidewalk chalk and draw a set of steps, like this. So the first step is S, say the problem. Well, you grab the tetherball rope.
So, what's wrong with that?
It's not allowed, and you did it on purpose to cheat.
I didn't cheat. Wait a minute. Remember how we learned to say the problem without blame?
Oh yeah. The problem is, we need to agree on the rules for our tetherball game.
Right. Next is T. Think of solutions. Ones that are safe and respectful. Well, we could look up the real rules for tetherball.
I guess. Or ask someone else what rules they use.
Sure. Or why not just decide on the rules that we can both agree on?
So, that's a few solutions. The next step is E, explore the consequences. So what could happen if we look up the rules?
Well, it'll take a long time, but then they would be the real ones.
Yeah, But the real rules might be too strict. If we ask someone else at our school, the rules might be better for us.
I guess if we just agree on our own rules, then we'll know for sure we like them.
Well, are we ready for the P step? Pick the best solution?
Yep, let's agree on our own rules.
What happens if we fight about them again?
Then we'll use the problem-solving steps to help us solve the problem.
Yeah, okay. Let's agree on some rules.
So, if we were in school right now, this is an activity that we would do together. Since we're not in school, just be thinking of something of a problem on the playground and challenge yourself to do these steps to come up with a solution. So, before you even begin problem solving, you should probably calm down first. And then some problem solving steps, that we can refer to, as the poster when we get back to school or the step up song. So, what would happen on our playground if more students solved problems with the steps? People would get along better, it would be more fun, and it would make our school a nicer place to be. So, anytime you come into a problem and you need a solution, be thinking about our song and our poster that would be posted in the back of our classroom. I love you guys, and I hope that you use these steps to solve these problems and come up with awesome solutions.